My name is Devin Cook, a realtor here in Dallas, Texas, and we're in Midway Hollow, just off of Marsh Street. Today, we're at a $1.62 million home with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 4,153 square feet, and it was just built in 2023, and I'm gonna take you on a full tour. Now, you're gonna see right away with this house, you are right off of Marsh Street, so you're gonna get quite a bit of traffic, so you are gonna get a bit of road noise dealing with that street right there. And so if that is something you can't deal with, then maybe we can find you a different property. But if you do want something brand new, just right outside of Dallas for just $1.5 million, 1.62, then this could be the perfect place. So you're gonna see with this property, very modern. You have some nice wood finishes above the 2-car garage. You have this nice brick right here, a lot of nice finishes. You got this custom walkway with the rocks in between. And then you have this beautiful door walking into the house. Gorgeous door. It's not a pivot door, but it is large, oversized, and steel. Now, walking into this property, you get the living room, the stairway on the left, and an office right here. And then over in that corner of the property, you get the primary suite. You have these beautiful light fixtures, a lot of recessed lighting. But let's go off over here to the office first. Now we get this beautiful office. You do get some windows looking over at your neighbors. I would say it's not the most stellar view you can get in Dallas, but for 1.62 being this close, not bad. You do get a full bathroom, frameless shower as well, just off of the office. Now, as we walk through towards the living room, over here on the right, you're gonna get the 2-car garage. Nothing spectacular to see there. You get this bit of a winding hallway. You do have a bit of a mudroom space where you can put some shoes, some coats, and then you do get a half bath, which all the guests can use. And then you have your laundry room space for your washer dryer. You can also put a refrigerator in here. You do get a sink and counter space, and it opens up into the primary closet, but more on that later. So going back into the living room, you're gonna see you don't get a ton of natural light because you have these lower ceilings, but you do get this nice gas fireplace. You get these nice finishes on the walls. You're gonna have enough space for maybe a slip and slide out there, but to be honest, you're not gonna be putting a real good sized pool in the backyard. You do have a lot of space though in the kitchen. You have this dining area right here. You don't have a formal dining in this property, so this is where you're primarily going to be eating with guests. And then if you want more of a casual place to eat, you can eat here at this bar, at this beautiful kitchen right here. Over on the right-hand side, you do get a wine cooler, and you get these nice floating shelves. They did a really good job with the lighting in this property. You can see all of the under cabinet lighting as well. Very moody feel. You do get your pantry in here. Let me flip on this light switch. This nice kind of butcher block feeling in the counter space. You have some built-in cabinets right here, and then your microwave as well. Very industrial feeling, very sleek, very kind of modern and refined. You get these black appliances right here, or these black fixtures, and then you do get a Bertazzoni 6-burner gas stove and oven. And then you do have the cafe branded GE appliances, the refrigerator, the dishwasher. They're not the very, very nice ones that are white with the rose gold accents, but they are quite nice. You have this herringbone design vent hood up above the oven, which is a nice touch as well. Now, before we go over to the primary bedroom, let's venture upstairs. And something to note about this property as well is it is a smart home used with Control 4, an app to control all the lighting and everything as well. It does have 5G Ethernet throughout the house and 5 gig fiber optic in this property as well. So you're gonna get fast internet. Now, when we get upstairs, we have this landing. You can see the view, your light fixtures, and down into the foyer area. And then just here, you have what's kind of a bonus room. It could be a media room, a play room, a bar area. And then you do have a balcony as well. So you can go outside, look at your neighbors, look at the cars passing by on the street, whatever you want. You have some closet space in here you can use for media equipment, and then a bit of a wet bar area, and it does open up into one of the bedroom's bathrooms. Leaving the bonus room and heading to the right, we are gonna see this bedroom right here. It is a nice size. You do actually get a fair amount of natural light with this big window right here, and then you do have another sleek, very modern bathroom. And heading to the other side of the landing, you get both bedrooms on either side. On this side, you get a bit of a smaller bedroom, not the biggest, and then you do have your own ensuite bathroom as well. Similar finishes to the rest of the property. And lastly, this bedroom over here, it also has its own ensuite bathroom. Very nice feature, especially if you're having guests over quite often. All right, now heading back downstairs through the living room, we're gonna go to the primary bedroom, which is just off of the main living room. You do go through this bit of a hallway, and then you're greeted with the bedroom. Now, in this primary bedroom, you do get a lot of light with these 3 windows right here, almost floor to ceiling windows, and then you do get this second oversized long window right here. Enough space for a king-size bed, and then you do have a bit of a sitting room right here. Now, onto the primary bathroom, and actually this is one of the most favorite showers that I've seen recently. Oversized, frameless glass. You don't even have any windows. They have set it up almost just like a water room with this freestanding tub. And what I do like about this shower is you have 2 shower heads as well as the rain head. I just personally see way too many homes without 2 shower heads and the rain head in these multi-million-dollar homes, and I think it's quite a shame to have a $3-4 million house with only 1 shower head. I mean, you gotta shower with someone. And then you do have this double vanity as well, and what I do really like as well is this gorgeous frameless mirror. I'm usually not a big fan of frameless mirrors, but when it takes up the entire wall, it's actually a nice touch. Then you have your water closet over here on the right and your oversized closet. And what I also like is that it doesn't have a door. Sometimes doors and closets just obstruct the view and it's hard to get in and out of, always doors banging on the walls, but you just get a lot of space over here for your shoes, for all of your clothes, and there's tons of space, and then you have easy access to take it all to the laundry and wash it. So that's all for this new construction home in Dallas, Texas. Let me know if you want more information or if you want to tour it yourself. Hit me up in the comments down below or click the link in the bio.